Let's make pork in sweet and sour sauce with gherkin. You will need pork, red onion, red pepper, garlic, gherkin, lard, pepper, ketchup, Worcester sauce, chili sauce, and salt. Cut 300 grams of pork loin into strips. Put the pork pieces into a bowl. Crush 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. You can use mixed peppercorns or black pepper. Add the crushed pepper to the bowl. Peel 1 red onion. Dice the onion. Add the chopped onion to the bowl. Cut a red pepper and remove the seeds. Cut the pepper. Add the chopped pepper to the bowl. Cut 1 gherkin into smaller pieces. Keep the chopped gherkin in a separate bowl. Peel half of a garlic bulb. Once you peel all the garlic cloves, chop each into a few pieces. Heat up a pan and melt a tablespoon of lard. Add the pork, pepper, and onion. Fry everything for about 5 minutes. Then, add the garlic. Fry everything for a little bit longer, until the garlic softens, and add the gherkin. Add 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Add about 1 teaspoon of Worcester sauce. Add a few drops of chili sauce. If you like spicy food, you can add more. Add a pinch of salt and boiling water, covering the mixture at least halfway. Cover the pan. Simmer everything gently for about half an hour, or until the meat is nicely soft. Stir everything from time to time, and add more boiling water, if needed. You can serve the spicy pork as soon as the meat is tender, and most of the water has evaporated. Serve with a side of your choice, such as chips, rice, or potatoes.